Hello guys, my name is Alex here. Today we're going to be making the Minecraft car. So this is how I do my cars. So you can make it any type as you want. So first, so we're just going to make it red. You can use it, whatever of these walls you want. So first you're going to take your wall. You're going to put it right here. And then make this. Skip here, make 3 blocks, and then this. Then you're gonna make black wool, which is not just some part of the paint; it's the wheels. And then you place them right here, and then you get your stone button and put it right here. There. You're gonna take bedrock and put it right here as the vent. And also, how to cover the vent, you're just gonna take ladder right here. But there's no ladder on the back. There's no vent on the back, so you just don't need it. You're just gonna then you're gonna take your wool and then place it through the middle. Also, you have to cover all these supplies to make it not look dirty. So you're gonna take red carpet and put it right here. So then you're gonna take what kind of wool you're gonna get, and then place it right here and here. You also you're gonna place it also right there. So then and then the last part where you meet. Then here's our last part. So we're gonna take a carpet and black stained glass. The black stained glass on the gaps, except this part. Then put red carpet right over here, and that's how you make my car. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.